Because if your last answer correct, then agak-agak like that means okay lah, give you marks. That's why your last answer, make sure it's correct. Okay? Okay, try this for one. How long does it take for 5,000 to become 8,000? At an interest rate of 8% per annum, compounded half yearly. So you have been given this, all this. Huh? Okay, try to apply the formula. S equals to P times 1 plus ROK power n. Okay, without looking at my answer, please try yourself first. So when you substitute S with 8,000, then we have P equals to 5,000. Alright? Then the bracket R is 8%. See that? 8%. So change to 0.08 divided by K. How do you get K equals to 2? Because it says what?
Half yearly.
Half yearly. It means half yearly divided by 2. Half, right? And then N times K. N, we don't know. We are asked to find how long. So N tak tahu, but the K is 2. So from here, what do you do next? So this 5,000, you bring to the left. So use your calculator to calculate 8,000 divided by 5,000. Bring this to the left. Actually, all the 3 0 you can cancel. You get 8 over 5. 8 over 5 is 1.6. Correct? It's actually 1.6 on the left hand side. Kiri, pindah kiri. Then on the right side, we have the bracket. So answer the bracket first. 0.08 divided by 2, you get 0.04. Plus 1 is 1.04. Then here, n times 2, you get 2n. So looks like you have to use log lah. Because the power got n there. So you have to use log. So remember when you use log, don't use LOG. Use LN standard lah. Bukan tak boleh, you can use LOG. If you use LOG, this also LOG. Make sure in your calculator you punch LOG. Faham tak? If you use LN, you punch LN lah. There's a difference lah. Tapi answer is still the same. Whether you use LOG or LN. Understand? Tapi usually we use LN lah. Natural law. So what do? You put log on the left hand side, you put log on the right hand side. Kiri kanan kena ada log, baru balance. Is it not? Put log kiri kanan. So you have log 1.6 equals to log right hand side. Tapi right hand side, when I put log, the 2n power I can take out. Remember the formula log, the power we can bring down. So you get 2n log 1.04. Right? So you write like that first. You put log. Actually, I simplify one step. By right, I put log, then this one here log. Then after that, I take out the 2n. Baru betul. I just simplify one step. 2n log 1.04. So what do we do next? So use calculator to calculate ln 1.6. Right? So try to punch it in your calculator. Left hand side. Find what is before we find, we need to find 2n. So this log 1.04 we bring to the left. Nampak? Sini times, when you bring to the left, we divide. Correct? Okay. So on the right hand side we have 2n. This log 1.04 bring to the left, you divide. So you get 2n. Yeah? 2n equals to log 1.6 divided by log 1.04. Okay, so now left hand side 2n we copy. Right hand side, use your calculator to find. What is log 1.6?
11.
So you should get 0.47. 00 something. So I take about 5 digit lah. Or 6 digit pun tak apa. Panjang-panjang also dari mana. Nanti we can simplify. Okay, did you get this one? 1.04 log, you should get 0.0392.
Use log betul lah log calculator.
Because in your calculator got LOG, make sure you know which one. Anyone also can, but make sure you use the correct one. Okay, so next step is what? The 2n you copy, then take this one divided by this one. Right, divide, you should get 11.98368. Then from here, you divide by 2 to find n. So this one divided by 2, you get 5.99. So n is the number of years. That means we get 5.99 years. That means lebih kurang how many years? 6 years. So number of years required is 6.